Shake it up. Horses are incredibly sensitive to change. Travel's hard.
How about losing a trainer?
Like losing a best friend. I just don't understand.
We're going to need to pull some samples from that horse.
Okay.
Whoa. What happened? You're farting.
Folly is what we call a dirty mare. Prone to serious uterine infections. Catholic stitching keeps out fluids and bacteria.
So you stitch her up until it's time to breed?
I know it sounds bad, but I promise. Having an acute infection is worse. And there's no greater tragedy than a champion who can't breathe.
Is this some kind of food?
I don't know. It could be.
We'll need a blood sample. We found a tranquilizer gun in the container. We'll want to double check it.
We never use a trank on a horse. Impact damage will cause an immediate adrenaline response. You're agitated.
We'll still need that sample. Hey, nobody's here to claim the body?
Nope. I don't know what's worse, consoling a grieving parent or finding a kid with no parent at all.
No parents.
No, this kid has been through 7 foster homes in 7 years. Sister lost track of a year ago.
McKinley School did the same thing. He was out when he was in. Kid was
Treated himself to a hamburger, pickles and ketchup, chocolate shake, and what I can only assume was supersized fries.
So that's what killed him.
Took a 5-course meal to a teenager.
Like a Last Supper, I'm afraid. He took a synthetic narcotic, fentanyl, a patch on my pill.
Yeah, that's a painkiller.
They're used in hospitals post-surgery.
Is this a crime?
This one separates the attempt
Hey, Wyatt.
corpses.
Hey,
It's a prokinetic agent that speeds
what's happening?
up absorption of fentanyl, and it keeps the stomach acids from going into reflux.
hey, dude. Wyatt.
Nausea, no vomit.
Hey.